Is the Los Angeles fire a divine punishment? Why are Muslims called to say the Adhan in Los Angeles? What do scientists say about the fires? How much time will it take for Los Angeles to recover its original form? Did the world's biggest lottery winner house also burn? Famous individuals who lost their homes in the Los Angeles fire. List of actors from around the world who reside in Los Angeles and were affected by wildfire. List of Bollywood actors from India who reside in Los Angeles and were affected by wildfire. Before we start our video, you are requested to do subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Divine punishment perspective. Some people believe that natural disasters including wildfires can be a form of divine punishment or a call to repentance. This perspective is rooted in various religious traditions. Scientific consensus. The scientific community attributes the Los Angeles fire to natural causes, emphasizing the role of climate change, drought, and human activity. Muslim Adhan in Los Angeles. A video circulating on social media suggests that Muslims are being asked to recite the Adhan, call to prayer, in Los Angeles, presumably in response to recent wildfires. However, it is unclear whether this video is recent or taken from an older source. In Islamic tradition, it is believed that reciting the Adhan during times of calamity can be a way to seek Allah's forgiveness and mercy. Muslims are encouraged to engage in prayer, supplication, and seeking forgiveness from Allah, especially during challenging times. World's biggest lottery winner house. There was a report of massive wildfire that ravaged parts of Los Angeles, affecting many homes, including that of a big lottery winner. The winner, who chose to remain anonymous, had purchased a luxurious mansion in the affluent neighborhood of Bel Air. The mansion, valued at over $20 million, was destroyed in the fire, leaving only ashes and rubble. Fortunately, the winner and their family were not present at the time of the fire and were safely evacuated. The cause of the fire is still under investigation, but officials suspect that strong winds and dry conditions contributed to the spread of the blaze. The lottery winner has vowed to rebuild their home and support the community in the recovery effort. The incident has raised awareness about the importance of wildfire prevention and preparedness measures. Authorities are working to provide assistance to affected residents and businesses, including the lottery winner. The winner had purchased the winning ticket for a record-breaking jackpot of over $1.5 billion. They had chosen to remain anonymous, citing concerns for their safety and privacy. Despite the loss of their home, the winner's windfall has ensured their financial security and they are committed to supporting their community. The recovery time for Los Angeles to regain its original position. The recovery time for Los Angeles to regain its original position after the devastating wildfires is difficult to predict. The recovery process is expected to take several months to a few years, depending on the extent of the damage and the effectiveness of the relief efforts. The California Community Foundation has established a wildfire recovery fund to support long-term recovery efforts, focusing on the most underserved and hard-to-reach communities. Film and television personalities who lost their homes. Paris Hilton, Billy Crystal, Anna Faris, Jennifer Grey, Ricky Lake, Danny Warren, Cameron Matheson. Music personalities. Jenny Eku. Others notable individuals. Mandy Moore, Mark Hamill, James Woods, Kris Jenner. Actors from around the world who reside in Los Angeles and were affected by the wildfire. Hugh Jackman from Australia, Ryan Reynolds from Canada, Gerard Butler from Scotland, Liam Hemsworth from Australia. Naomi Watts from Australia. Simon Baker from Australia. Tony Collette from Australia. Sylvester Stallone from Italy. Bollywood actors from India who reside in Los Angeles and were affected by wildfire. Priyanka Chopra shared her concerns for those affected by the fires and posted a glimpse of the fire on her Instagram story. Noora Fateh evacuated her home amid the wildfire, describing the chaos and urgency of the situation. Preeti Zinta expressed heartbreak over the devastation caused by the wildfires, assuring fans that she and her family are safe. Masaba Gupta's sister-in-law lost her home in the Pacific Palisades area of Los Angeles, with Masaba revealing that her niece has started a fundraiser to rebuild their lives. Please subscribe for more videos and updates. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.